Hey boo, so today I am, how many weeks am I? 33 weeks. Anyways, there is possible talk about me being induced a week or two early, so that excites me. I've been so uncomfortable, but before pre-pregnancy, I only weighed 170. I lost a lot of weight in the first trimester, as I told you girls before. And then recently went to the doctors, and I am 8 months, and I weigh only 175 now. I'm pretty much all belly. So this is my stomach, but I'm pretty slim. So I'm very appreciative that I did not blow up, but the time is coming. But meanwhile, what I've been looking for is a diaper bag. And people are like, you're crazy. You want to spend that much on a diaper bag? I had this dream diaper bag I wanted to dream for me. I mean, technically, it was really one of the only things I wanted was this Gucci diaper bag. But my family was like, you're going to pay that much for a diaper bag? It shouldn't be that expensive. It's just a diaper bag. When I told my Nana the cost, she was like, I hope it changes the baby and everything, and I hope it puts itself on your shoulder. Everybody had jokes, so I was like, started to feel bad about the purchase that I was going to make, and I was like, okay, maybe I can find an alternative. So I found an alternative, and I don't know if you ever heard of Tradesy.com. And this is not to discredit anyone who uses Tradesy or their business in general, because they actually did really good with, you know, providing me with the information and the attention that I needed given my issue with them. So anyways, felt bad, and so I started looking at other options instead of spending roughly $1,400, $1,450, something like that on the diaper bag. I was like, okay, well, maybe I can get a used option. I was already apprehensive about it, so I got a Gucci diaper bag off Tradesy, and here is what the pictures look like when I first got it. It looked great online. It was shiny. It looked clean. It had a few spots and it was worn. Mind you, I already didn't want it because it was used. And certain things I just don't think you should buy used. Like, it had a changing pad with it. Changing pad was disgusting that came with it, and I just felt like it was something that the owner shouldn't have sent. You should have just said it doesn't come with a changing pad. I was already mad because I like to get things that have a box, the original box, the dust bags, the receipts. And it didn't have any of that. But anyways, besides my better judgment, listening to people, I bought a used one, got it. It was horrible. Tradesy has this option where you can claim misrepresentation of any item that was sent to you. So of course I sent the item immediately back the next day, and they did deem it as misrepresented, and they apologized, which I was very grateful for. They made the return process very easy, and they credited my account back all of my money, so it was deemed misrepresented. And then the seller had the nerve to say, why are you sending the item back? Girl, you knew them pictures did not show that that diaper bag was that dirty with a broken strap. And nevertheless, if you are going to do something and you're going to spend a couple $100 on something, buy it flat out brand new and get your receipt in your box and all that stuff. Because if you want to sell it again, because I've sold a lot of items on Poshmark that I'm just not, like, I sold a Gucci purse on there, and the seller or the buyers really appreciated that I had the receipt, the box it came in, the dust bag, and it was in good condition. And so if you do ever like want to resell something you know you're not going to use again, I suggest just buying it brand new. No one wants to buy a used diaper bag without all the pieces that come with it when you purchase it. So anyways, today's video is telling you, lesson learned, my opinion, just buy your stuff new. It has a better resale price, better resale value, and you won't be disappointed. You know what you're getting, and especially for things like that, like a diaper changing pad, a diaper bag. That's kind of personal. You know, people keep their personal things in those types of bags. So I sent it back, got my money back from Tradesy, and nevertheless, I went ahead and ordered me my new Gucci diaper bag. And then there were a choice between a black one, that was a black leather one, and I'm sure you've probably seen it, and then the one that I have, the cream colored one. And the black one was like $1,700, so it was way more. But to me, the cream one was better. So ideally, as a mother, a future mother, I was like, if I have to get rid of my purse to carry a diaper bag, I need that diaper bag to resemble a purse as well and still be something of value, something that I like, because I'm about to ditch my whole livelihood for a big diaper bag. I'm not carrying 2 bags. That's just not going to happen. So I might get myself like a little cute wallet to go with the diaper bag. And I do have little bags to wear, like when I'm going out, like if I'm going out with hubby or anything like that, I have little bags to wear. But when I have my child, which I probably will most of the time, I wanted a nice diaper bag. So let me show you. This is the opening. I did not open it yet. Let's see. So when it came in this really big box. And the box was a lot larger than I thought it was going to be. Very large box. So I was like, got excited. And something about this box and the fresh bow, and Gucci get your stuff to you in like 2-3 days. It was amazing. And I was very happy. So I'm going to take this ribbon off. So when you first get it, it'll have the ribbon. I was kind of upset because my box was a little destroyed when they sent it. Right here in the cracks. But it's okay. It's way better than what I had originally purchased. So take the ribbon off. And then some of them come in different boxes depending on when you ordered it. This one opens from the back here, like my Gucci purse does. And then when you open it, it is in the tissue paper. So let me take it out. Well, when you open the tissue paper, oh, something fell out. Let me get what fell out. Oh, it comes with a tote. So this is cute. It's a large tote. Nice large tote. I'm assuming maybe you put the box in here. So, I don't know. Maybe it's just an extra incentive for spending some money. And it has this label on the inside. But it's just a cheap little tote bag. It's very large too. Tote. So that fell out of there. So obviously it comes with the tote bag and a duster bag. It also has the Gucci tissue paper, which is really nice. And then here is the actual dust bag, and then the purse is inside. Let me tell you, when I got this, I was so happy. Like, it even smelled new. Like, when I tell you my feelings were hurt about the used one, I was just like, why did you listen to people? You should have just got what you knew you wanted in the first place and treat yourself, right? So it also comes with this little box or card envelope. And in the envelope, it just tells you, thank you for shopping with us. The items are skillfully designed using the highest quality materials. Please contact us if you have any questions, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So there is no receipt in here. So what I think I'll do is print the receipt out and just store it in here, just in case I ever want to get rid of it, but I doubt it that I'll get rid of it. Hey, Gizmo. Hey, fat man. So, la la la. Here is the bag. And it's actually way bigger than I thought it would be. Here's side pockets. So let's go through it together. In the back of the bag, you have this slot. It's Velcroed here So it's a Velcro slot, pretty deep. I would say maybe about 8 inches deep. And then on the sides you have Velcro as well, where you can probably stick your bottles or whatever your preference is. And then of course you have the brown adjustable strap with the gold buttons. And the buttons are really nice too. And here is this, I guess this part here is to be easy on your shoulder, or for shoulder comfort, I would assume. So when we open it, on the front has the Gucci note. This also is Velcro. And then of course they have all the tissue paper on the inside. What are you doing, Gizmo? Sorry, I don't know what my other dog was doing. I'm sorry. And then inside is pretty large as well. Here's the inside. Woo, okay. All the Gucci tags fell out. Here's the inside. So the inside has a pocket here. And they have these Gucci pamphlets. Very deep pocket here. Some pockets on the inside as well. And it's a changing pad. So very large diaper bag. So if you're thinking about getting this, it is great quality. The material is not cloth, it's more like a leather material. I believe it's leather. And so it should be easy to wipe, because if you got like an old one, they used to be cloth and they would stain, and so they changed the material. But I love it. It's really large. I'll show you how it looks on in a second. Here is the changing pad. Okay, so the old changing pads used to be cloth, and so that's why it probably was dirty as the last one I got. Now they changed it and it's plastic and it's easily cleanable, like you can wipe it off easy. And of course it has the Gucci logo on it, and it's brown. You just fold it up, put it back in your diaper bag, and then let's see how it looks on my shoulder. Cute. Okay, this is super cute. This, I'm happy with this replacing my purse. Like, it actually makes me excited to be a mom and pack up. I'm already excited to be a mom, so don't judge me, but this makes me even happier. Okay, let me back up so you can see some more. Okay, here you go. So it's cute, comfortable. The color goes with everything. I don't have to worry about it matching. And it's a neutral, and I love nudes and neutral colors. But this is the Gucci diaper bag. I 100% recommend. Don't make the mistake I made. Just buy it from the store and you'll be good to go. So this was like one of the only luxury items I wanted. And after we got the nursery and everything we needed for the baby, I was like, go ahead sis, treat yourself. So I'm gonna be a hot mom. Anyways, I recommend the bag. I really like it. I can't say how it feels to actually use it yet, but I will let you know, give you an update on how much I enjoy it or not enjoy it. But right now I'm going to rate this bag a 10 out of 10. Okay, because I was going to get the Moschino one. I hope I'm saying that right. But it didn't seem to have any structure to it. This bag has structure, so it doesn't seem like anything's going to fall over. It's rather large, large enough to hold anything, but not too large like a duffel bag. And I'm excited to use it. And I believe retail before tax was like $13.70, or if you go to Gucci.com, you'll see it's not that many options. But this is my diaper bag. So let me know if you like it below, or if you have any comments or any questions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you know each and every time we post a new video. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Be supportive. And so disgusting, y'all. I can't even fit my bras anymore. I'll see you ladies later. Mwah.